So how to calculate an acoustic movie? We just do a normal measurement. We set up some more time. I would say, let's say 10 seconds. We have a picture series. We set up the brightness of the camera. Oh, that's fine. Good. And now we start the hardware. And with the record button again, we can start recording the data. But first we need a sound source. And that would be my Beethoven again. And I would go to the speakers and move one of them. So let's see what happens. I start the music and I start the recording. So the movement, the movie has been calculated. So the measurement is done, and we can close the data acquisition module again. You can see the movie, that was the name I gave to the measurement, is now active in the measurement and the test is inactive. And we now can go to sound camera module. We want to use the default alignment. And again, we see the time frequency diagram of the music that was playing. And again, I will set the filter to A weighting. And what I want to calculate now is a movie. And so I just cut out a longer time range. Go to region of interest. It is 90 centimeters. Calculate the whole area. And now I go to time graph and frequency graph. And I don't want to calculate one segment in time. I want to calculate many segments. And I can even calculate with an overlap, but I don't want to do that now. Let's say we have two segments. The segment duration is automatically set. We see the red light again. We have to apply the changes. The yellow light is running now. We can go to beamforming and calculate this one frame. And now you see the frame is only one, but we have 10 pictures in that single frame. After the calculation is done, we can go to acoustic picture and we will see the first picture of this frame. Also you can see the informations of the frame in this frame menu. That's 10 segments, how long is one segment, overlapping. And now we see there's my arm in the picture and the speaker is on the position like it was before. And we have the movie controls active now, because the software automatically knows that now we are calculating a movie. I can press play and you can see how I move the speaker and the sound source is following. So what we can do now is we can save the movie as an AV file. I would like to do it. And then we have several options. We can save the movie without audio. We can save the video with raw audio, with filtered audio stream. That is then the frequency band I selected in the time frequency graph. And video with local sound and video with filtered local sound. And I will explain local sound later. Let's save it without or with a raw audio stream. And we have to find a place to save it. and that's the same folder as the project is, and I would like to call it test movie. Okay, and I have to accept. Now the movie is played again and saved to hard disk, and we will see if we can find the movie later on hard disk. So the movie should be saved on hard disk. Let's see if we can find it. In the same folder there is a test movie, the name I gave it, .avi form, and let's see if we can play it. And so you see how easy it is to save an acoustic video. That's it. So close the acoustic camera module.